Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about self-care and how to practice it in our daily lives. I feel like we often focus on just work and responsibilities, but we need to remember that taking care of ourselves is just as important as anything else. So I started my morning off by going to Target and picking up some things that I felt that I would need for my self-care day. And these are just some of the things that I picked up from Target and Walgreens. And I also went by Kroger to pick up something for dinner. I got some Italian meatballs, and I also wanted to try to make my own meatballs at home. So yeah. So while that was cooking in the oven, I decided to go and run my bath and let my husband take care of watching the food. So now it's time for face care, and I picked this face care up at Ulta, and I wanted to try out Sunday Riley's products.
Something real not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
And after I do my self-care like face routine, sometimes I sit down and watch a movie, but tonight I decided to go and write in my journal. I feel like journaling is an excellent way to release your thoughts and feelings and emotions, and it's a great practice that can help you understand yourself better, and it also can be a great tool for stress relief. So all you need is a notebook and pen, and you can just write down about anything that's on your mind. So okay guys, that's it for my self-care day. I hope you all found it helpful and that it gave you some inspiration for your own self-care routine. And remember, self-care is not just about pampering yourself, it's about taking care of yourself so that you can be the best version of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.